Hi, I'm Ashley Gage, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make nested lists in HTML. So let's start by opening up our lists.html file from last lesson. If you didn't do that lesson yet, you can click the link in the top right corner of this video and then come back. So let's open up our lists.html file, and underneath our unordered list, we're going to hit enter and type another H1 and title this one Nested Lists. Okay, and underneath nested lists, I want us to make an unordered list and an ordered list. And let's title each of these. Let's call our unordered list nested unordered list and our ordered list nested ordered list. Let's start with our unordered list. This is going to be just like our regular unordered list. We're going to start with one list item. And let's call our list item fruits. This is where the nested list comes in. Hit enter and just line up the tags. And now right after fruits, we're going to type another unordered list. And you want to make sure that that unordered list is in between the two list item tags for fruits. In between the two UL tags, we're going to type another list item. We want two list items in our nested unordered list. Here, we're going to type apples and oranges. View it in the browser, and as you can see, we now have our nested list displaying on our page. The word fruits looks just like our unordered list from last time that says red, yellow, and blue, and apples and oranges are both indented. So that is how to make a nested unordered list. You can also have another list item. So let's just copy fruits and let's make it vegetables. And change apples to carrots and oranges to broccoli. And when you save that, you can see that vegetables looks just like fruits. Apples and oranges are indented, and so are carrots and broccoli. Vegetables is not nested under fruits, and so they look exactly the same. And carrots and broccoli are nested under vegetables, just like apples and oranges are nested under fruits. So let's go back to Sublime and start on our ordered list. So for our ordered list, we're going to make a list item, and we're going to call this one Types of Lists. This is going to go almost exactly like the unordered list, and so we're going to type another OL in between the two list item tags for types of lists and make a list item. Now we're going to list out three types of HTML lists. One of the kinds is unordered, another is ordered, which you learned in the last lesson, and our new kind is nested. So if you save that and refresh your page, you will see that we've got types of lists, unordered, ordered, and nested. And they're all indented and numbered. Now let's make another list, and what we're going to do is we're going to copy our nested ordered list and paste it below. We're going to just leave all the information the same, but we are going to change our main list back to an unordered list because you can nest unordered inside ordered or vice versa. Change the OL to a UL, that's our main list. When you refresh, you will see that our types of lists, instead of having a number, it has that little dot, and our indented items have the numbers, just like on our last list. That is how to make ordered and unordered nested lists. For more videos like this one, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, see you next time.